Hi, hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about a new indicator called Trend Master Indicator. Previously in our YouTube channel we have discussed about many indicators and strategies. You can also go and watch the previous videos, and we have also learnt about new strategies in our YouTube channel previously. If you have not watched it, you can go and watch it again. And now we are going to see about a new indicator which will be helpful for the traders to cover the full trend of the market. And this indicator is going to give you a high accuracy signals for buying and selling. This will be providing you a perfect stop loss and a best risk reward ratio based target will be there for this indicator. And you can also use a new feature which is included with this indicator to track like a screener. You can track all the segments or stocks which you are want to add it to the watch list and track it in the same chart. So including this indicator in a single chart, you can easily track other segment stocks or other segment symbols in a single chart itself. You can view how the signal is performing there. Simultaneously you can see in a single chart itself. I will be explaining all the details about this indicator now in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. Then only you will be knowing how to use this indicator. If you want to get access with this indicator, WhatsApp us right now in the displayed number. Our technical team will be helping you how to get access with this indicator. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. And now I have included our JJP Trend Master in all segment indicator. You can include this indicator in all the segments like index, options, stocks, features, crypto and forex also, and commodity market also you can trade with this indicator. Before applying it in any symbols, just go and watch the signals how it has been performed in the previous historical market, and then you can use it in the live market. And before backtesting, don't make any entries. Then only you will be knowing how to make the entry and how to keep stop loss, target, everything. Right now I have included in Ethereum chart with 15 minutes time frame. You can use this indicator only with 15 minutes time frame, and whenever you are getting a buy or sell signals, you should wait for the close of the signals to get the signals to be confirmed. So once after the close of the candle, then only the buy signal and sell signal will be confirmed. So once you get a buy signal, there will be a line which will be denoting you at which point the entry has been taken. So now you can see perfectly the buy signal has been arrived in 11 o'clock, and after the candle close you will be getting this line, and in this line you will be having a label also for denoting the buy entry at which point the entry has been taken, and you will be getting a trailing stop loss from each and every candles it will be moving on, and based on that you can take trades. So whenever the market moves, you should exit the position when the trailing stop loss is hit and candle is closed below. That is what the trailing stop loss. So whenever the market is giving you a huge movement, this indicator is capable of covering all the trend of the market. For example, if you see this sell signal with the replay mode, I am just going to cover how the sell signal has been performed. So if you see, there is a sell signal and the sell entry is 2525 and the trailing stop loss is 25336. The date the signal has been came is 7th June 2025. So let us track how the signal has been worked for this. And now the basic stop loss will be 2536.4 only. So if we play the signals, you can see for each and every candles the trailing stop loss will be updated. The sell entry point will be there in the same point, but the trailing stop loss is keep on updating for each and every candles. Now once you take the entry, you should exit the position once the candle is closing above this trailing stop loss level. So you can see then only the buy signal has been arrived. So after the candle closes here, then only the stop loss is been hitted by the sell entry. So then now we are going to go for the buy entry. And you can also track other symbols by this indicator by including the symbol name in this indicator. If you go to the settings of this indicator, you will be having an option to track other symbols. So almost 15 symbols you can track by this indicator. So in this table you will be having the signal whether it is taking a buy signal or sell signal, and you can, if you are using a bank, if you are a bank nifty trader, you can also include the weightage bank nifty stocks Based on that, you can track the full market sentiment in a single indicator itself, because once the trade is taken, here it will be denoted at which time the trade has been taken for the particular symbol, and you can track whether it is moving on in the profit or loss. For example, right now you can see this crash USDT buy entry at 11:15, but the trade is going in a wrong side, because the profit and loss will be showing you whether the trade is in profit or loss for the each and every symbols it is tracking. That is the features which we have included in this indicator. If you are a Bank Nifty index trader or stocks trader, you can simultaneously track the other symbols in a single chart itself. 7th June, so I'll be also showing other stocks and other signals which is performed by other symbols. Now we are seeing the Bank Nifty index chart with 15 minutes time frame with the date of 23 May 2025. So now I have included our trend master indicator here. If you go to the settings of this indicator, here only we are going to include the weightage stocks of Bank Nifty, because now we are going to trade with Bank Nifty index, right? So we can simultaneously track the signals of Bank Nifty weightage stocks. So I have just got the list of stocks which is the weightage of Bank Nifty. So you can see the first weightage stock is Bank Nifty is HDFC Bank. Next ICICI Bank, State Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank and Bank of Baroda. So almost 6 stocks is enough to make the analysis with other stock analysis, because now we are trading with index. So we should include the simultaneous weightage stocks to this list so that it will be displayed in the table itself. So I am just clicking on the symbol button, and now I am just including it HDFC Bank and clicking on OK. So then it will be included to this table. So same as like I have included all the weightage stocks, almost 7 symbols I have included. If you don't want this table to be displayed, you can disable this trade comparison table button. So then the table will be disabled. As of now, for analysis, I am including it, and now we are getting totally 7 symbols. If you want more than 7 symbols, you can enable each and every enable button included with the symbol name. So if you enable this, you will be getting almost symbol 15. So 15 stocks you can make the analysis simultaneously. So in each and every symbol, this for each and every candles, this trade type will be updated and profit and loss will be updated, so that you can simultaneously track how the stocks are performing, whether it is going in a buy side move or sell side move, how much profit it is taking. Every details you can track in a single chart itself. So as of now, for this buy signal, you can see how it has been performed. Right now I'll be keeping the replay mode so that we can track how the signal has been performed, because the sell entry has been arrived in this 9:15 candle and the candle is closing above in this 2:30 candle. So after the candle closing above, then only we are going to exit this sell position. So now the buy entry has been arrived, and if you see, once the buy entry arrived, we are going to track whether other stocks is getting a buy entry or not. Simultaneously, if you see HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, every stocks are getting a buy signal. So I will be going to the perfect signal candle. So till the signal candle confirmation, there is no change in the other stocks. All the stocks are in sell side. After the next candle arises, you can see all the stocks got a confirmation for to a buy. So this is a better confirmation and extra confirmation for this entry in Bank Nifty. Even if you are trading in options or futures, based on the index only we are making analysis, but this simultaneous analysis will be more helpful for the traders to have the extra confirmation. And now you can see the buy entry has been taken at 54,775. Till now, for each and every candle, this trailing stop loss is been updated, and now it is showing 55,266. So once the candle is closing below, we are going to exit this position. So this is how we are going to take each and every trade signals based on the buy and sell signals, and we are going to make the extra confirmations with the other stocks or other symbols based on your segment which you are trading, you can select the symbol and you can choose it wisely, and based on that you are going to make the perfect entries. So these are all the main important things which you need to be followed while taking the trades. And before making any extra confirmations, don't make any trade entries. Wisely take the entry and perfectly make the stop loss and the trial till the market end. Then only if the market is giving you a best opportunity to cover the full trend of the market. If the market is giving you a huge trendful day, then it can cover the full trend of the market and capture all the points in the market. That is the feature of this trend master indicator. If you want to get access with this trend master indicator high accuracy signals, you can WhatsApp our team with 8072401753 in this WhatsApp number. Just send your TradingView profile ID. Through that, our technical team will be giving you the access. If you send this TradingView profile ID, so you will be going to the profile. So this is the TradingView profile ID. For each and every one, you will be getting a individual profile ID. So through this only our team will be giving access, because this indicator is in invite only script mode. So our technical team will be guiding you how to get access with this indicator. Just WhatsApp us, and I wish every traders to join our Telegram channel also. So in that you will be getting the daily updates of this indicator and other indicators and strategies you will be getting in our Telegram channel. In the description you will be having the link for this Telegram channel also. You can directly go and see all the performance of the indicators also. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you, traders.